Today is our day to recognize our sponsors and some special individuals. It is my privilege to welcome Mr. Tharman Shanmugaratnam and Mr. Sanjeev Iyer on stage to honor our sponsors and some other individuals. We would not have been able to bring you an event of this grandeur but for the support of our sponsors. We would like to present small tokens of appreciation to our key sponsors. Platinum sponsor DBS Bank, accepted by Mr. Piyush Gupta, CEO, presented by Mr. Tharman and Sanjeev Iyer. Platinum sponsor Olam International, accepted by Sridhar Krishnan, Senior Managing Director and Region Head. Platinum sponsor Temasek International, accepted by Rohit Sipahi Malani, Co-Head Investment Group. Platinum sponsor Deutsche Bank, accepted by Mr. Mayur Ghelani, Head of Relationship Management, Asia. Platinum sponsor MasterCard Asia Pacific, accepted by Mr. Matthew Driver, Division President, Southeast Asia. Platinum sponsor Kevalram Chandrai Group, accepted by Mr. Narayan G. Chandrai, CEO. Platinum sponsor Transtroy India Limited, accepted by Mr. Sridhar Cherukuri and Mr. Satyanarayan Rao Channuri. Philanthropy sponsor, Optimum Solutions, accepted by Mr. Balwant Jain, CEO. Strategic partner, Economic Development Board, accepted by Ko Jin Ho, International Director, EDB. Luxury partner, Maserati, accepted by Mr. Murali Reddy. Silver sponsor, Standard Chartered Bank, accepted by Mr. Neeraj Swaroop, CEO, Singapore. Silver sponsor, Shobha Limited, accepted by Mr. Atish Modi. Knowledge Partner, Singapore Management University, accepted by Professor Rajendra Srivastav, Provost and Deputy President. We would also like to thank our other sponsors, Lifestyle Partner L Capital, Enhanced Table sponsors Mantri Developers, Experian Holdings and L&T Realty, Lodha Group, Table sponsors HDFC Singapore, Citibank, Edelweiss International Singapore, Credit Suisse, Kimberly-Clark, First Capital Insurance, Bank of America, and Tata Sons. I would also like to thank our media partners, ZTV, Times Now, and Sony Entertainment Television, and our social media partner, Happy Marketer. We now move on to a special segment of recognition eagerly awaited by you all. We instituted the Distinguished Alumnus Awards 2 years ago to recognize the achievements of some outstanding individuals. I will be reading out the citations and calling upon the individuals to come on stage to accept their awards. I request the DPM, Sanjeev Iyer and Piyush Gupta to stay on stage and give away the awards. Our practice is to give a Distinguished Alumnus Award to a local resident and one overseas alumnus. I'll be reading out the first citation. It is called A Selfless Crusader. To distinguish yourself in your chosen domain is remarkable. To distinguish yourself in an unrelated field is even more remarkable. She began her career in the conventional way, working in consumer marketing, banking, and technology. Her passion for teaching and training led her to co-found Finitiatives Learning India Private Limited, a startup which offers India's largest range of e-learning and certification across banking and financial services. She believes in lifestyle entrepreneurship as a choice, a relaxed lifestyle in a calm and quiet city, even while working on intellectually stimulating areas that match one's competencies. But what she became famous for is altruistic service to a cause in which she exhibited empathy to a fellow human being, a cause in which she fought hard to secure justice, exhibited courage and conviction in the face of odds in a fight that was far from easy, and above all, fought for a person she did not even know. She established the Manjunath Shanmugam Trust, which played an important role in ensuring justice in Manjunath Shanmugam's murder case. Manjunath, as you all have heard, was an IML alumnus and an oil company employee in the hinterlands of India who was murdered for speaking up against corrupt practices in oil distribution. The trust also launched India's first National Right to Information Act helpline. The trust will continue to improve governance in public life. She received the Contributor of the Year Award in 2007 from the IIM Lucknow Alumni Association for her excellent work with the Manjunath Shanmugam Trust. Her sense of purpose, intensity, and clear thought have guided her in her life's journey so far. a small town girl from Dharwad. She has an undergraduate degree in engineering and an MBA from IIM Lucknow. It has been said that behind every successful man is a woman. Behind this successful woman is a man, her husband Jay, who has been her constant source of support in all her endeavors. She is Anjali Mulati. And we are privileged to confer on her the Distinguished Alumnus Award for her contribution in the field of learning and for her selfless service. Anjali Mulati. I'd like to request Anjali to say a few words.
Thank you very much for having Jay and me here. I think this is especially touching for both of us because it shows that Manju's message has touched so many hearts, and therefore on behalf of all those people who fought with us to get Manju's justice, both Jay and I thank you very much for this. Jay, unfortunately, we didn't even know, so he's not here, but he should be here in the next 10 minutes, but I'm sure I speak for him as well. Thank you very much.